Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys. If you need to remove or replace exhaust camshaft position sensor or see where it's located, stay with us, all that will be covered today. Also we'll explain how we can simply test it and find out if it's working or not. So all that will be covered in this video today. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So many of you guys have been asking us lately which computer we use for diagnostics, what we recommend, so we decided to share that information with you. We'll put the link to this computer in the description of the video below for your convenience. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. You can see keys right here, but it works on almost any car you can think of, so definitely it's a tool that that is very beneficial. So we're going to remove the upper engine cover now guys. We just grab it and pull it, okay, straight up. It attaches with 4 bushings. On the front side of your engine you have the intake manifold. On the back side you have the exhaust manifold. So that means that the exhaust camshaft position sensor should be located on the exhaust camshaft that actually even controls guys the direct fuel injection pump, which is right here. And if you look at it guys, okay, right here on the back side of the engine, okay, facing the engine, it will be all the way towards right here. That's the sensor guys that we have. Okay, this is it. So this sensor guys is known as a exhaust camshaft position sensor. So how do you guys remove and replace it? You press right here and you disconnect the cable. If it's stuck, push in, press down, push out. Okay. Now, you cannot just remove it. You have to remove that bracket here, guys, that holds the engine hook, okay, with a 12mm socket. And we need to, guys, go ahead and remove it. That way we can access the exhaust camshaft position sensor. Never work on the car when the exhaust is hot. Let it sit overnight because you can severely burn yourself, guys, to the point, okay, that you can get a severe burn, guys, and you don't want that to happen. So I'm going to hold it now because it's getting loose and we're removing the bolt. The moment it comes out, okay, ready, we can continue. Now that sensor itself guys, okay, it has 1 bolt. Okay, let me see if I can come on this side and show you. Okay, with the engine out guys, we can clearly show you all these things. This is your sensor, you can see. Now it has a 10mm, okay, 10mm bolt with 10mm socket. Okay, it came loose, you can see it just like that. Perfect. Now that sensor could be stuck guys, but move it a little bit left and right, okay, and pull at the same time. Okay, I dropped it. Make sure the O-ring comes with it. Sometimes it could be stuck in the cylinder head and you don't want to push it all the way in the engine. So clean here, everything really good, and lubricate it when you install the new sensor. That's how you remove it. Now, sometimes if they don't work guys, they could be dirty. You need to wipe them because it's a magnetic sensor and it can attach metal shavings, okay, oil deposits, things like that. Also, if you want to see how to test that sensor, we have a special video that explains how to do that on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, how to test camshaft position sensor on Kia. Please check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.